Welcome back to the channel, tech fans. Today we're pitting two of Samsung's strongest mid-range contenders against each other, the Galaxy A36 5G and the Galaxy A26 5G. By the end of this head-to-head, you'll know exactly which phone deserves your hard-earned cash. Let's start with their exteriors. Both models showcase Samsung's sleek new flat-frame Radiance design, complete with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and back, plus IP67 water and dust resistance. The A36 is the slimmer of the two at just 7.4 millimeters thick and weighs in at 195 grams, while the A26 measures 7.7 millimeters and tips the scales at 200 grams. If a lighter, more refined feel is your priority, the A36 has the edge. Move inside, and you'll find identical 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED displays, each capable of a silky smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. But brightness tests give the A36 the advantage, reaching up to 1900 nits at peak, compared to about 777 nits on the A26. That extra brightness can make a real difference under direct sunlight. Powering the A36 is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset, paired with the Adreno 710 GPU, which handles gaming and multitasking with ease. The A26 relies on Samsung's in-house Exynos 1380 and Mali G68 MP5 GPU. In benchmarks, the A36 pulls ahead in multi-core performance, though both phones will sail through everyday apps and social media. Photography is next, and on paper, both pack a 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The A36 adds a 5-megapixel macro lens, while the A26 drops to 2 megapixels for close-up shots. Selfie fans will find a 12-megapixel portrait lens on the A36 versus a 13-megapixel punch-hole shooter on the A26. In real-world use, both capture sharp, vibrant images, but the A36's extra macro resolution and refined processing give it a slight photographic advantage. Battery life won't let you down on either model, thanks to their identical 5,000 mAh cells. The key difference is charging speed. The A36 supports 45-watt fast charging, taking you from 0 to 50% in about 25 minutes, while the A26's 25-watt charger needs closer to 40 minutes for the same boost. Software is a tie. Both ship with Android 15 under Samsung's One UI 7 and promise an industry-leading 6 years of major OS updates, along with 6 years of security patches. You'll stay current longer than most of your friends' phones. Now, let's talk value. The Galaxy A36 launches at around $319 for the 128GB model. It delivers faster performance, a brighter screen, and rapid charging, but sacrifices expandable storage. The Galaxy A26 starts nearer $300, includes a microSD slot for up to an extra terabyte of storage, and offers nearly the same display and battery life, though with a slower charger and slightly less powerful chipset. So, what's our verdict? If you crave top-tier performance, blazing fast charging, and maximum brightness, and you're comfortable without extra storage, the Galaxy A36 5G is your winner. But if you're on a tighter budget, want expandable memory, and still want a powerhouse display and long battery life, the Galaxy A26 5G represents unbeatable value. Which one would you choose? Drop your pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.